Hello everybody, this is just a quick video letting people know that I have released source files for Battlemage. In case you missed it, this is my slider crank AEB automatic springer setup. I have some previous videos on the development of this, but TLDR, the blaster is almost completely done except for an issue with the breech opening too quickly, and I haven't worked on it in a few months, so basically, I wrote up how to fix it. I made a rough design of a fix for it, two fixes for it, but I haven't test printed these, and I haven't finished up the design, polished off all of the little tweaks that are needed, and I've just uploaded it as it is with the source files and information on what needs fixing to GitHub. So you got this stuff here, that's what needs to be fixed. Got some more things that need to be tweaked. Got the files, got the hardware, got some thanks to some of the people that helped work on it. But yeah, Battlemage is sort of kind of released. If you are a blaster designer and you want to build this and work on ironing out the last little bugs in the design, you can feel free. That's why I released the source files. Go work on it if you want. If someone fixes this and makes it a good functional blaster, I'll add a thank you to the bottom of the page and put the files in the page so people can start building these. But as it is, this is Battlemage. It's the turnaround-based AEB. And source files are up for people that want a challenge and want to try their hand at fixing it. Most of my AEB effort is going to be moving from Battlemage into Warlock, which is a different blaster that uses a calibernoid plunger system with a ram that the air goes through instead of a turnaround thing. So that will be a lot easier to design around, I believe. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go with. Oh, right, it's not called Warlock in this. It's called New AEB, right? Yeah, this one. So instead of working on Battlemage, trying to get the last little bits done, I'm pivoting to work on this. So as you can see, this uses a ram through the thing, and it has the slider crank in the front, which kind of primes it like a Caliburn type setup, Talon Claw thing. And then it has the plunger setup from, I think this is a Cynthia plunger, but when I next work on this, I'm going to work on updating all of the plungery stuff to work on Alchemist setup. So that should be quite a bit better in terms of reliability and performance. Using an Alchemist ram base, Alchemist plunger, Alchemist catch, Alchemist trigger and mag release, and all that stuff should work quite a bit better than this stuff from Cynthia. But yep, that's the thing. So if you want to work on Battlemage, it is up on GitHub. You can go to GitHub. I will link it in the video description, and you can go try your hand at fixing it and getting it over the finish line, getting it fixed the rest of the way. Yeah, that's all I've got for this video. See you later.